Hey everyone, today I want to show you how you can create some insanely consistent animations just changing a few settings in Stable Diffusion. Let me just show you something I have recently created. So as you can see, this is fairly consistent and this is something I've created today a couple of hours ago, right? So I'll be just showing you the process for this. We'll be using control net and we won't be even using multi-control net. We'll be using a single model, but you can obviously try it with a couple of different models and see what works best for you, right? So before proceeding further, you just have to make a few changes to your settings. So and you can see I have a few extra setting options here. So you just have to go to your settings tab, okay? Go to Stable Diffusion and check mark this with image to image, do exactly the amount of steps, right? Check mark this and then go to user interface, right? And just in the quick setting list, just copy all of this. I'll be putting them in the description also, right? So you don't have to worry. So you just have to copy all of this, right? And if you have control net, you have to tick for this as well. Do not append detect map to output as well. Other than that, I don't think you need anything else, right? So after you check all of these, you just have to put apply settings and restart your UI, right? Just do it a moment. So once you have restarted, you will see that you don't get an option for 0. You get an option for 0.5, right? 0.5, and even here also you will get an option for 0.5. So for that, you just have to first, so as you can see right now, I have an option for 0.5. For that, you just have to go to your inspect, and in here, you just have to change the minimum value to 0.0. 0.0. And similarly, and push it down. And similarly for this as well. For this as so, you just have to change the minimum value to 0.0. Yeah. So once you have done that, it's really simple. You can now take in any image you want. So let me just show you the images I'm going to use. I'm going to show you with the same example, right? So videos, here have all the frames. You have to divide your video into a bunch of frames, okay? So let's say I take this frame. You just put in integrate clip, okay? A woman with a long black hair. You don't even need all these prompts as well. For me, I just go with this style. Let's say what if style, 8K, with same detail, clear face, beautiful, right? So this is good for negative prompts. Let's go low quality. Worst quality. Unclear, blurry, and vague. Just have to resize your image accordingly. So let's go 472, 848. Put the CSG scale to probably 10 or 12. Denoising strength to 0.2 or 3, right? Then you go to your control net, enable it. You can either choose your canny or depth model. So I'm going to go with the depth model. And you have to reduce your weight all the way to 0.2, right? 0.2 or 0.3 works best. So once you have done this, just check it out. Just give it a moment. I think, yeah, it's happening. So as you can see, this looks good. You just can check it out on a different image as well. So let's say this is the image, okay, where the face is clear. Check it out. So yeah, for me, this works best. Okay, you can actually mess around with the settings. You can either increase the CFG scale if you want to have a bit more stylized image, right? Final output. So I'm gonna see if this works. Yeah, I mean, this looks good. Let's see it on one more image. So for this, okay. Yeah, this looks really good for me. So yeah, that's about it. Just you have to copy this. If you like this image, you just have to copy this seed value, and let's put this seed value for everything. And now go to batch processing, put in your input tabs. So this is for me, it's frames, right? And similarly for output, I delete all the previous ones. And you just have to put it as an output tab. And once you press on generate, it will generate a bunch of images and they look really fairly consistent. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any more queries. Do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's about it. I'll also put in all the instructions on how to convert a video into a bunch of frames using FFmpeg, and similarly how to stitch it back together to a video as well. And yeah, that's about it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.